Hello and welcome to Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy. My name is Dr. Catherine Constant and I am the author of the books Lady Wisdom Speaks and Lady Wisdom Gives a Party. Well, I'm so happy to be with you here today because I'm headed to a party. That's right, I'm going to the Ceeds4Change Christmas Green Winter Fest. Yeah, and it's going to be held at one of the middle schools here in Boston. And it's an opportunity for families who are experiencing homelessness and all families to come together and celebrate the holidays. There's going to be a lot of different activities, but the major theme is Seeds for Change. It's going to be planting. That's right, gardening. We're going to try to start to introduce to children seeds and dirt and pots and plants and planting. So I'm very excited about this process and also very excited about the event. Now at the event, we're going to see Wally, the mascot for the Red Sox. Yes, the Boston Red Sox was going to be represented. It's going to be in the house. And also the trophy. You know that the Red Sox are world champions. Well, not the 2018 trophy, but the 2013 trophy is going to be there with us, and we're going to be able to get our pictures taken with it. And then also Santa and Mrs. Claus is going to stop and make a visit too to be with the kids. And we have plenty of helpers from City Year and other organizations just coming together to have fun with us. So come with us as we go and just bless the children and bless the families of Boston. I'm so happy to be a part of this organization and also just to give my time and effort to just working with the families of Boston. What a blessing, and it fills my heart with a lot of joy to be a part of this new and exciting work. And it has to do with gardening. That's right, Seeds for Change. Well, purple. If you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Are you involved with any organization, any nonprofit organizations? Are you giving back? And how are you doing that? This is the season to give. This is the season to share. This is the season to share your wealth and your time and your efforts with others. So just comment down below. What are you doing? And I hope that all is well with you. I love this time of year because we are able to show love and demonstrate why Jesus Christ came to earth. He came to give life and light, and that we can all come together. And he said he doesn't want the poor to be poor anymore. He doesn't want to see hunger on the planet. No, peace on earth, goodwill towards men. And I'm so happy that I could be a part of this organization, Ceeds4Change, where we're able to meet the needs of the homeless. Yeah, it's a wonderful thing. Well, Lady Wisdom wants you to know that you are wonderful, you're beautiful, you're God's gift to the world. So go on out there and shine and let the world know that Jesus Christ is Lord. And see you next time on Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy. Bye.
Remember to subscribe to Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy on YouTube. Be blessed.